So, you'll have received an email from Google saying that everything's changing with GDPR and that data is going to be deleted from Google Analytics. First of all, don't panic. It's not going to happen like that. And Google is notifying you so that you can change your retention settings. When you log into your Google Analytics dashboard, you'll see exactly the same message. First thing you need to do is to go to the admin cog down the bottom left, click on that to go into the admin settings. Once you've clicked that, you'll see 3 columns. Move to the center column where the property settings are listed. Go down and click on JS tracking info, and that'll expand this submenu here where you can click on data retention. This will then take you into a new display, which is the settings for user and event data retention, which is basically, as it says, it's saying how long you want to keep data for in Google Analytics. It's now defaulted to 26 months instead of as we were used to, just ad infinitum. Click on 26 months and you'll see this drop down menu. As you'll see, there are several options now: 14 months, 26, 38, 50, and don't automatically expire. If you want to set Google back to as it was and have all your analytics data kept, set it to don't automatically expire. If you pick any of the previous settings, the monthly settings, make sure you set the reset on new activity toggle to on. This basically means that any user event activity will reset the clock and start clicking for your 14, 26, 38 months from that point. So you keep a rolling clock. Once you've decided on which retention settings you want, click on the Save button on the left-hand side. That then tells Google to update this and implement your retention settings, and you get a success button on the top, and away you go. If you have any other questions on this, just drop us an email, give us a call, and we'll help you out.